Now that you've unlocked your advanced project, Archie is going to start making hundreds of AI requests to generate your project's functional and visual design. Let's take a look at how we can review, modify, and regenerate that data. So when we're looking at the advanced project information, anytime we click into a paragraph, we're able to directly modify it, adding or removing any information we feel is necessary. If we ever see a list like this bulleted list here, we have the ability to click an X on the right-hand side in order to delete an individual item. Or we can come to the last element and hit enter in order to enter in new information. Whenever we see a drop-down like our application type here, we can click that drop-down and make the changes that we feel are necessary. Anytime we make a change on one of the pages, two options become available to us at the top of the page. We have an undo option, which will remove all the changes we made to the page, as well as a save option, which will save all the changes we made. Everywhere in the advanced project, we're going to see Archie's generate icon. This option lets us tell Archie to generate new information for our project. Anytime we tell Archie to generate new information, we have the option to give Archie context about what we're looking for it to generate. Now let's take a look at what it looks like if we're dealing with data available as cards. Here we can see we have a card of information, and the title is editable. The description is editable, as well as the information underneath. And each card has a delete option to be able to delete that specific entry. At the top of our card list, we have an add button that lets us add a new one. Anytime we're adding something new, we have the option to start from scratch, or we can give Archie some details on what we're looking for and have Archie generate the new information for us. Sometimes we'll get a more advanced looking list that we can work with. Like here in our overview, we have our alternative solutions, with the X over on the right to still be able to delete. If we want to add a new item to this list, we can scroll to the bottom and click the Add button on the right. Once again, we can add manually from scratch or give Archie context for generating the new information. Finally, it's important to note that our changes are only local until we hit the Save button. So if we're modifying some data and try to navigate to another page, we're going to be told that we have unsaved changes. If we click on Leave Anyway, we're going to lose those changes. Or we can click Stay Here and hit the Save button to save the changes, or even click on Undo to revert those changes. Now you know how to navigate through Archie's advanced project. Be sure to watch the tutorials for each individual section to get a better idea of the data you'll be working with.